All right. Today is replacing the steering wheel. So this is the stock OEM one. And now in Ford, replacing it with this one. Same thing, just updated. I can't use these. I need to swap out this one for the 2010 to put in here, and then it'll be working and all that stuff. So it is what it is, but not too bad. Everything else is gonna be the same and work and not as worn. So to do that, an assortment of tools, but it's looking like you need like a pick or something small, because there's gonna be one little hole, two little hole, and there's gonna be 3 holes that connect the airbag to the steering wheel. So you pretty much just gotta go inside there, pop them out, and then remove the steering wheel. Obviously my battery's disconnected. I left it off for about I've left it off for about 25 minutes now while doing other things, so it could still pop off, but I highly doubt. I mean, I hope to God it doesn't. So I'll do this. Let's make sure that's a good angle. Okay, yeah. So first one's gonna be. Okay, so I ended up just using a 4mm Allen key. Everything else was just a pain in the dick to use, to be honest. So I started off with this one, then I went to the bottom one, then I did the left one, and it popped out. So that's awesome. There's gonna be, I think, 3 clips in there that you need to pry open or pry apart and take it out. So I'm gonna move the camera. Hopefully it'll show better. Okay, so now this is right above it. Oh hell yeah. Fuck yeah. So there's 2 you gotta take off. Alright, yeah, so it's a little bit different than the Lexus, obviously. There's gonna be tabs in the middle, hope you can see that, that you need to squeeze together and pull. And then the whole thing should, hopefully, there we go. Do this one, do this one. Oh fuck. Just want this to explode. There we go. So I'm gonna set this down over there. That's gonna fuck up my seat if it were to mess up. So there's gonna be these 2 tabs, first connectors or whatever, and then if you can see, there's a tab on each side. So there's 1 and then 2, and you slide them out. Another connector that goes down, and you're good. You can see that. I'll move. I think you're good. That's gonna be a T50. So have the bit. It's gonna be, yeah. That is a T50. So we're just gonna unscrew that. Steering wheel should come out. From my old experiences, I know if it's a pain in the ass, you just gotta wiggle them or hit them top, bottom, left and right, and then eventually it'll give out. So now that steering wheel's out of the way, if nothing that really should explode in our faces, we're gonna take it out. Damn, this one's just too fucking long. And then my steering wheel was a little bit cockeyed, just because that's how I parked it right now. So just have to remember that whenever we fully take everything out. Whoa, it's dark as shit. Brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Ew, what the fuck? Oh wow. So I'm assuming there's some Loctite in there because it's like a greenish, bluish, like residue on it, and that's how the ball came out. So weird looking ball. But yeah, T50, pop it out, put that on the side. Then, oh hell yeah, this is awesome. It's not. Oh, there's actually one more connector, which I believe is the clock spring. So you're gonna have to take that one out. You can see in a minute. Fuck. There we go. So this would be the airbag clock spring connector. And that's a connector that goes to another one. So that all comes out. Oh my God, don't fucking turn, don't turn. There we go. Holy shit, that's sketchy. And now, boom, it's out. So I know if the clock spring clocks a certain way or something unintentional, whenever you are touching this area, it'll mess up whenever you turn, and it'll just mess up the whole steering aspect of it. So I don't know if you would have to, if you can fix that, or if you would have to replace it, but we're not gonna take a chance. So I don't know why, but yeah, I have to now take this one off and bring it into the other one, swap them around. So I'm gonna do that, see how that goes, and then we'll be back, put everything back on, and finish the rest. All right, update. To take this out, whew, it's a burden. So it's gonna be lodged in here, and thank God you can use retard strength and honestly just fucking yank it off, because it's gonna be like connected from here to that rubber hole in there. And I was afraid I was gonna break it, but I just pulled and pried on it, nothing broke. So pain in the butt, but at least it's not impossible and you're not gonna break anything. So now I just gotta find out how to change the harness to the new one, and we're good to go. Okay, got the harness out. It's just a lot of T25 screws. So I'm going to do that with this one, with the new one, swap it over, connect them, and then we'll be good to put it back on. All right, we got everything back to order, tightened, connected. Sucks we couldn't use a new one, but what we gotta do now is just pop it back in, connect it, put the bolts on. Should be good. So this one goes through here. Please don't spin. Yeah, it was just like that. Perfect. Perfection. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Now, oh shit, where'd I put it? Oh, damn it. Okay, so got it back on. Not gonna lie, I did not torque it. I just fucking did a good old German torque. But it's pretty good. So now all we really got left to do is, before my camera dies, plug this back on. So we're gonna do the bottom connector, then these two. So it's gonna be pretty simple. And then gray and black, and they are color coded in the back. So gray and that's black. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, so now those are good. Everything's connected again. And just pop it back in. What the fuck? Just making sure I'm not going crazy. Okay, yeah, cool. I just put some fucking force behind it. Bam. And fuck yes. Let me just take this off. Suction cup. This is it. This is, wow, that's really zoomed in. This is how it looks. It was a little bit cockeyed to the left when I started this process, but got a brand new one. It's just a Raptor, regular one, but it's better than the old one. There's the old harness. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Look at that, bam, right there, perfect. Some light on to make it even. Perfect. All right, see you guys on the next one. Peace.